Hi everyone, Pandya brothers from Pune. Uh, what was going on when you got your ODI cap?
Again, dream come true. Obviously, I have worked so hard to be here. In terms of, especially in last 1.5 months, have been putting those hard yards in terms of not just in terms of cricket, but in terms of everything from taking care of my diet to fitness to everything. And again, this is all dedicated to old man. His blessings are there with us, and yeah, obviously it was very emotional for you and me, both of us. And again, getting a cap from you, and I guess somewhere down the line up there, he must be just having a good night today and enjoying that, the way I batted. So I guess this is for him.
I know you were working really hard, but to see the way you batted actually brought happy tears because the way you batted was, I genuinely felt that good I got out. I actually made a statement as well. I was sitting here, good I got out. I saw something very special today.
Obviously, again, I have not been working now result oriented. Again, my focus has always been lately about how I can be the best version of myself, how I can improve, not just as cricketer, but how I can improve as a human being as well. So that focus has always been on the process. Rather the result is good or bad, that's secondary for me. Neither I'm thinking about it. The only constant focus is that how I can give the best opportunity to myself before every game. So it has been obviously long in terms of this is the result which I've got. There's a lot of hard work behind it in terms of technique, in terms of fitness, everything what I mentioned before. So again, and somewhere down the line, I just feel that his blessings are there. I just feel more secure, being very honest, and yeah, this is everything for me.
It shows in your body language as well. But not many people know. Our father is actually with us in our dressing room. Krunal has been carrying here. Our father passed away at 4 o'clock in the morning, yes. And he was someone who used to always keep his stuff ready for the next days. And actually Krunal has been carrying the bag which has his
so basically the thing is he passed away on 16th morning.
Yes.
And I was
in Bombay.
I was playing Syed Mushtaq Ali on that day, 16th morning, which was the game. So he had a habit of keeping his clothes ready in the night. So like everything, his shoes, his pant, his shirt. So
his hat as well.
Yeah, hat as well. So what I did was just before the game I got his bag from Baroda here, and I thought I know he's not with us, but at least that clothes which he was supposed to wear in that game, I thought I'll bring that and I'll keep it in the dressing room. So
that's why I said he's for the first time in our life. Our father has come to our dressing room when you're playing. So yeah, he is always gonna be with us. That's for sure. This one was for you, Dad, from both of us, especially Krunal. And actually, you gave him. I feel the way he played today, you gave him his early birthday gift. So which is fantastic, and we will always miss you. And yeah, you'll be always with us. So yeah, over and out, and well done to you, bro.
Thank you.